Today I'm going to show you how you can use Solink's event spot check feature. So with this feature, you can set up automatic spot checks of events based on a selected report. So for instance, whenever a no sale transaction occurs, we can have Solink's Sidekick AI review it, respond to the prompt, and then provide an answer all within the event card. So the first thing you want to do here is in the Sidekick window, select event spot check. Next, we can either create a custom prompt or we can pick from the templates here. I'm going to pick a template, no customer present. So this prompt is asking Sidekick to review events and determine if there is a customer present when the transaction happens. And if there's no customer present, then flag this as a high suspicion transaction. The next thing we want to do is select a report. Sidekick is going to review the events from this report. So I'm going to pick no sale. And it's recommended to preview this to see how it's going to play out. And once you're done that, you can go ahead and click run. Okay, so I've gone ahead and allowed Sidekick to review events for a while now. And now I want to make a report that captures whenever Sidekick has flagged a no sale transaction as high suspicion. So I've put these filters in here so that we can narrow our search down. We can actually come down here and click this button to see how Sidekick has responded to an event. And we can also click this button here to get a bit more context for the reasoning behind Sidekick's answer. All right, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to create a report that captures all of these events. Next, I'll create a widget on the dashboard page here so we can actually see how many of these suspicious transactions Sidekick is flagging for us. Perfect, here's our widget. If you want to, you can actually go one step further here and add on to the workflow. So once the AI has flagged a suspicious transaction, maybe we want to have a human come in here and review it just to make sure that that is correct. So let's view one of these events in this widget. I think this is a suspicious transaction. I'm going to go ahead and go through the custom event flow that I have set up to say, yes, it is suspicious, and give a reason why. And finally, I've created this widget here so that whenever somebody goes through that flow and confirms that there was a suspicious transaction, we can see that right here.